Hello, my friend. In this video, I'm going to writing a simple calculator. How simple is the calculator? It have two operators as integer. It only support plus, minus, division, and multiplication. It's no error handling at all. And every function just in the main function. In Intellj, I create a class called calculator. It's going to take input from command line, so I import the class scanner. Assign to the variable operation scanner dot next. Take as a string. Here you take the second operator as a num2. I set one result as an output. You take the result after operation num1 and num2 equals 0 as initial value. To calculate the output, I'm going to using switch statement. Switch operation, because the statement not accept string, is accept char. First case will be plus. Don't forget break. In switch, there have the default. If not satisfy all the cases, goes to default. Out of switch statement, I'm going to print out the answer. My simple calculator is done. Let me test it. Please enter the first item I put in 4. Operating plus 7 equals 11, which is correct. That is my simple calculator. Any comments, thoughts? You can leave the comments down below. If you like my video, please thumb up. I hope you can subscribe. Thank you very much and see you in next one.